everyone, my name is Christian, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Wave 2 Imperial class Star Destroyer. For a size comparison, this is a Victory Star Destroyer, so let's see how large this monster size vessel is. Wow, look at the size of that thing. Yeah, so that is significantly bigger. Holy cow. That is a really nice model. Engines are great. It's this, well, the exact same design, just larger. That is, it's a good paint job with the turrets and the shield generators. That is a really good looking ship. And just for a size comparison, this is the size of the base compared to a medium sized ship. So this thing is going to be a tank flying around. And of course, it's pretty darn impressive 4 red, 4 blue front, or 3 red, 2 blue, and 3 black. That is a very damaging front arc, and of course that front arc is very large. Alright, so that is the end of the Imperial Star Destroyer. Thank you. Bye.